Hello, this video is dedicated to this Bluetooth speaker Hopestar, and this speaker is model 27. So what is typical for this type of speaker? It's a standard one, and at the rear has USB connection for MP3 playing, for mini card. Also there is an aux input, and this is the charging port. But the main difference between these Bluetooth speakers and the majority that are available on the market is that those speakers actually can be put in a stereo mode. So if you have two of them, they have the possibility to pair each other and to have a stereo speaker. And once you pair them, actually they start to perform in stereo, and it's a master-slave system. So this one is the master, the one you firstly pair to your device, and then you have to pair them both. But from this moment ahead, it doesn't matter actually which of them you are going to choose for the controls. So you can do it with both of the devices, and I will show you now. So if I want to change the volume, I can do it with this one, but I can do it also with the other one. So both of them are playing. So what I noticed, if you listen to them for long period, for example 3 to 4 hours, there starts to be noticeable a short delay in the second one that you put into the system, because all of the communication actually goes through the master one, the one you have firstly paired with your streaming device, like this smartphone in this case. So I can change the song by pressing on this one, on the second one, and you see the new song is starting, or change it by pressing on this one, and again we have a new song. So very easy to work, very nice device. I'm seriously impressed by the quality of the sound. It's very clear, so the camera is not able to capture it anyway, but the sound quality is really nice. Something interesting that these devices, they also have built-in FM radio, but in order to listen to them, you need to have a cable here that plays the role of aerial. So I bought them for about 40 euros both together. Each of them can work independently, paired with different device. So it's up to you how you're going to use them, but for stereo, they're really good. Because most of the Bluetooth speakers on the market, they're performing in mono. that was all for the Hopestar Bluetooth speaker model 27. Of course there are other, I have one but it's not here, that is model 20. It's a huge one, very loud, but it's not possible to pair to make this stereo mode with any other. Doesn't have a radio also inside, just have a similar look like this one, but much bigger. So these two speakers we have more than a year, and we mostly use them when we go outside. So one feature that I missed to mention is they have a built-in microphone. So if you're in a car or somewhere else and you want to use meanwhile your phone, if there are incoming calls or you want to call somebody, you can use it also as a free hands Bluetooth device and make a conversation to them. Okay, that's for the Hopestar. Bye bye.